Have you ever had a camera you were trying to do a motovlog with and you were trying to record, it didn't record? Or if it did record, it didn't save the actual video that you recorded? So you wasted your whole time and your whole day trying to make a nice vid, and the thing that you had went to crap. For me, that was the GoPro. The GoPro Hero 9. And on my previous vid that I made, I have showed my settings and all that for it, and then it was working flawlessly. But then out of nowhere, like I was trying to make something else for you guys, and the GoPro just decided to do some weird stuff. It was glitching out. It wouldn't save to my SD card, and I tested my SD card on multiple other things, and that worked. So in my mind, I'm like, what could it be? So, I searched online for stuff, and I found out that was to be true, a common issue with these things that I haven't encountered yet. Because this GoPro I had it for like 2 years, but it had very light, minimal use. So it's like, what was the deal there? But because of all that, I was just fed up with the crap. So I got rid of that, and I got a brand new camera, and I've been doing some testing and stuff of that nature, and it's actually a lot superior than GoPro because it works. Yes, GoPro is like the king of like action cameras, but if you don't have a camera that can consistently work when you press record, what's the point? I don't care how good the hyper smooth, the color, anything like that. If I press record and it doesn't work, it's not worth my time. And then on top of that, the battery life was straight booty cheeks. I decided to get rid of that, and I got a new camera. And the camera that I got was the DJI Action 4. And I'm telling you, this camera is like night and day from GoPro. I feel like just everything about it when I first used the thing was like yeah. So what I'm gonna do for this vid, I'm gonna like show like the settings that I have for this something, and I'm also going to show some examples. But for the examples, I'm not going to have the actual mic yet because I'm waiting on the adapter to come so that I can plug into here so I can like talk once again. Combo that I went was the DJI Action 4 the Adventure combo. And it came with a protective case of this nature, which is far superior than like the actual media mod, because it's easier to put the camera in. You just pop that little latch and you just slide it right in. Boom, that's it. That's all you damn need. And like you still have like access to like your USB-C charge port, or like the battery is right here, but it's so easy to pop in and out. See, look, you just pop it out just like that. Boom, done. The media mod was a pain in my ass. And it also came with a battery kit with 3 of these things. I have one in like here now, but these batteries right here, I tell you, to be true, 3 batteries for this thing is overkill, because one battery can last me a whole day in like record time, recording at 4K. So that right there alone sold me on this damn thing. But we will see how it will stand the test of time, because everything when it's brand new works well, right? So, and it also has like a little SD holder right here. And this battery pack also supports fast charging, so you can get up to a 80% charge in 18 minutes. Unlike the GoPro, you have to wait a few hours just to have like a decently charged thing. So yeah. And one thing I like about the actual mounts is magnetic, and it clips on, and that thing is on there and it's not coming off. And if you did get this camera, you had all of your GoPro accessories, this mount will work with all of them. So yes, the combo that I got, it came with the case, 2 like magnet mounts. I have one that's on my helmet right now. The actual camera, a battery case with 3 batteries installed, and then it also came with this like little selfie stick type thing, which I may or may not use for this particular thing. And it had like these screws that like go into like the actual mount itself. Came with a USB-C charging cable that goes right here. And here is where like the battery is. You have, well, my SD card is not in there right now, but here's like where like the battery is, and I'll show you like what the battery looks like. It kind of looks like GoPro, but the actual mount is different from GoPro, so you can't use your GoPro batteries for this. So yes, now we're gonna run through the settings that I have real quick, and then I'm gonna show y'all some examples. All right, so as you see right here, I'm running in 4K 30, and what DJI has their hypersmooth named as is rock steady. So let's go into the settings right now. So my settings I have now, and like you have to press like the Pro button to get more like extra settings. I have my exposure set to auto, my white balance set to auto. Color can either be in D-Log or normal, but I just set it to normal because I don't really want to mess with that. My FOV I have set to ultra wide because you get that wide field of view that I'm like for like the ride. And my sharpness is set to 0 because I can do all that in like the post processing. And the low light, it comes on if you have it in wide and you have it lower than 60 frames per second. So 30 preferably for that. And this thing does well in like the low light. And I will show both a daytime and like a nighttime ride, like real short, to like just showcase how both of those things work. Ultra wide for daytime ride, wide for nighttime rides, because you can't really see much anyway. So, and that's pretty much that. And I have my exposure set to auto, and it does a pretty good job of like trying to like have the image set right for the particular type of environment that I am in. Solution, I like to run it in like 4K 16:9 30, and for my hyper smooth or to keep the camera from shaking all around, they call it rock steady. And I like rock steady and not rock steady plus because like it like crops in too much. That's pretty much it. Like it's a very simple thing to get set up. Usually straight out the box this camera is fine after you change just a few. So now we're gonna take a day ride and a nighttime ride just so you can see the difference between the two.